All right, hello. What we're going to be doing today is, we're going to be changing blinkers. 11 Yamaha V-Star 1100. The blinkers right now, they're a little bit dim. They need to be changed. We have blinkers right here, new ones. And we are going to be attempting to change all this. And it should be fairly straightforward, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so first what we're going to do, we're going to remove the cover and see how everything is all hooked up. So there you go, the cover's off, and we can see what it, okay. And we've got to take a bolt, loosen this off, and we should have enough wires in the back to get this. Okay, we had to use a little bit of pliers up here because the wrench was not fitting all the way in.
So the problem with these lights is they're really dim. You can barely see them in the daytime.
Yeah.
So you can see that with these tiny little bulbs, they're just not bright enough.
Yeah.
So this is a safety feature that we're going to be doing for Nick to keep him safe.
Oh, for sure, for sure. And as you can see,
whoever installed these did a terrible job.
Yeah, junk. So that's why we're doing it the right way. So this should be able, we should be able to pull this out in a second. Okay, and now we got to untwist this. Yeah, there we go. Oh well. Look at this. Okay, now we can twist all we want. Okay, we're at the end. Okay, you're gonna cut it off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so, wow, look at this. Okay. Okay, here we go. So now, what we got to do... Okay, so we're working on undoing that one bolt over here. Okay, so what we did, we pulled the wire. Okay, go ahead, Mark, pull the wire out of there. Oh, here we go. So this is what we have. We just have a bolt, and now we just got to undo it. Okay. Yeah, it's coming along. Okay, and over here, we're just trying to get this bolt out. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, here. Okay, and we have that bolt out. Okay, good. Now we're gonna get the new blinkers. So these junk blinkers right here, they can go over here. And now what we have wires, 2 wires, and then we're gonna do a little bit of a magic over here. Okay, so we have the new light. We just undid the bolt. We're gonna pull it right through. Okay, hopefully it's gonna go. Okay, one by one. Okay, good to go. Now a washer. Okay, we're gonna place this right over here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a washer here, right? Is that what we're doing? Mm-hmm. Washer here, and bigger washer than this on the other side, and then now we're gonna pull everything through. Yeah. Okay, so we have a washer Okay, we're just gonna try to fit this guy in through 2 cable. Yep. Okay, good. That one's done. Now we're gonna feed this through. Yep. Oh yeah. Now what we can do is we're gonna put a bigger washer. Yeah, look at it. Let's see that. Oh yeah, this is a monster. Okay, good.
There's room for it.
Yep. Good. Then we will put a locking nut. Okay. And I'm gonna go on the other side, and we can see show these guys how this is done. Okay, and okay. Okay, so now we are just tightening everything up and making sure everything is good so they won't move.
Are they level?
Let me see. Okay. Okay, no, I gotta go. Yeah, this is level right here. Okay, go ahead. And I'm holding it, tightening it up. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, this is good. So all we gotta do is a little bit of electrical right now, and then we're gonna do a quick test. So we have the bike on. We just now we're just gonna connect the cables. Okay, black to black, red to red, and here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah.
So that's right.
That's actually that's pretty good. Okay, so we're working on the second guy. Okay, same thing. We're just gonna undo the front, take that red cover, and as you can see right away,
Oh yeah.
because of all the vibration and corrosion, the bolt inside is junk, and you can see it. All right, let's rip this puppy off. And let's have a quick look what this is gonna look in here. Okay, so we can see, yeah, bolt right over there, and we just, yeah, you can see it where we worked on it. We can see all kinds of stuff. Okay.
See how short the wire was?
Yeah,
that
the
I was
wire
working
is
with.
really short. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut that.
Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna do the same thing. Oh, do you want to pull the wire?
We're having a sale next week on used turning signal lights.
Okay, see, I can kinda pull this, but maybe one wire at a time. Okay, see, this is pinched right here. Oh yeah, you did some good work over here. Okay. You might as well cut it like.
That's what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
Just the solder was stuck on there. So I tried to solder it, but there really wasn't enough room.
Yeah, cut it and then. Okay, so now let me see if I can pull this. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming out good. So we have the wires; they're already out, and all we got to do now is just unscrew it. So that was a 13. 13's right there. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out here in a second. We just have to unscrew it. Okay, so we pulled everything through. Now we're feeding all the wires. Okay, through here. Yeah, okay, yeah, they're out.
So.
Okay, you, now do you want to, we can tighten this up, right?
Yeah, let's do that next.
Okay. Okay, so what we're doing right now, we're just stripping the wires. That way they're good to go, and then we're gonna. Okay, Mark's gonna do this side. Okay, so here we are. Okay, we just soldered this, and now we're gonna put a heat shrink. Oh, you're gonna do the ESA
Let it
first?
cool down first. Probably.
Oh yeah. That's right. All right. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Soldered all this and put a heat shrink, and it's gonna be good to go. All right, we are in process of soldering it. So here we go. Oh yeah, this looks good. Very good. Okay. Now this side cooled off, so now we can adjust the heat shrink. All right. Now we're just doing the other side, and then we're going to be tacking everything in. Okay, so we have everything done. Now we are going to be checking the... okay, yeah, that one works. Yeah. And the other one works. Okay.
Is that bright?
Yeah, they're bright enough. Where we can...
That's better.
Yeah.
Personally, I would have liked them a little brighter than that, but I guess
Oh,
that's
well.
the next one.
And all we got to do right now, we're just going to go and tuck the wires in, and the
Yeah.
job is pretty much done. Okay, so we are finished. The blinkers look good. We just tighten up all the wires underneath on both sides, so they look pretty good. And that's basically it. So what we have learned here today is how to replace these blinkers on 2001 Yamaha V-Star 1100. It's actually quite simple. It didn't take us that long, and we're gonna be good to go. And if you like the video, please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you. Okay, go ahead.
One thing to remember is when you're putting these lights on, if you're putting LED lights on, the polarity matters. If it's just ordinary incandescent bulbs, it doesn't matter, you know, which wire you hook to which. Just an important note to
That's
remember.
very good. All right, so if this video helped you out, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna see you on the next one.